Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video we're going to be decorating the workshop for Christmas. Now Christmas 2023 is fast approaching, so I want to get the decorations up and going and get in that festive and holiday spirit. Really cool. Now I do not go all out with decorating out here in the workshop. Keep in mind it is a workshop. It is dusty. There's tools laying about, but I do like to put up some decorations, you know, again just to get me into the Christmas spirit and everything, and remind myself of all the times of Christmases past, you know, where I would wake up every Christmas morning and see what Santa Claus has brought me, and also never forgetting the true and actual meaning of Christmas. But really cool. What I'm going to do now is move the camera and we're going to start decorating, and then after we get done decorating the shop, we're going to talk about how I'm going to finish out the year over here on the YouTube channel. Keep in mind, I'm not going away. You guys know it's almost time for my yearly break, and I'm really looking forward to it this year. It's been a long and amazing and blessed year, and I'm so happy with everything. But let me move the camera and we're going to get to decorating. And I am going to begin over here in the corner, removing the stuff off of the speaker here to where I can put my little Christmas tree. And this is just a basic guitar amplifier that I have wired into my iPod to provide music in the workshop. I think music is very essential. It gets you in a good mood. And now I'm just removing some of the stuff off of the workbench to where I can put the lights around the sticker swap sticker wall. And I'll also move the heater because we're going to change the area behind it. We have those nice brisk mornings now, and it's finally time to move my hearing protection and my more robust dust mask to a new location, and my scissors as well, and I'll remove all the nails everything was hanging on, as well as my original banner. This was the first bit of branding I ever got, and longtime subscribers will remember it was in the center of the sticker swap sticker wall. But it does have the old Instagram account that was hacked earlier in the year, and I won't throw this away. It's too sentimental to me, and again, it was the original branding, but I wanted to take it down and replace it. And I replaced it with the amazing banner that Klingspor's Woodworking Shop gave me. They have been so kind to me, and they go above and beyond for their customers and supporters, and I'm happy to be a representative of the amazing company. I'll just take some small roofing nails here and tack it up under the bottom of the sticker swap sticker wall. It's my hopes that the banner will now be in the intro of all of my videos when I'm out in the workshop. I think it looks appropriate there. And now I will put my little Christmas tree again on the little speaker there. And the Jolly Roger always looks appropriate this time of year with a Santa Claus hat on it. So I put that on him. And you can see this is right in the corner where the scroll saw is. And then all that is left to do after that is to hang all of the Christmas lights. And I go around just the central portion of the sticker swap sticker wall here just to have the Christmas lights out in the workshop. And I have debated in the past just leaving these up year round, but I always take them down after the Christmas season. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel and also follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. I'd truly appreciate the support. But just going all the way around here, and some of the screws from the previous years are still up here because this is like the third year in a row I've decorated the shop for Christmas, so I was using some of the older screws to hang everything on. But after we got done here, the workshop was decorated for Christmas. and that is how we decorate the workshop for Christmas. Once again, I do not go all out because keep in mind, this is a dusty workshop and tools are going, sawdust is flying through the air, you know, when you're using the tools and everything. So I still like to put just the bare minimum to where if people come to visit or stop by to help out on a project, they can see the stuff and be like, hey, you know, this is a cool place to hang out, and people always enjoy it. And I hope the people that watch my content here, such as you guys, enjoy it as well. But that's about all. I'll put the stream of lights around the major part of the sticker wall. I put the little Christmas tree over on the speaker that my iPod's connected to. I put a Santa Claus hat on the Jolly Roger, you know, this over there in the corner above the speaker, and that's pretty much it. Now, I did do some rearranging also when we decorated this year for Christmas. I sadly took down the original Artisan Pirate banner. Now, this banner has been with me since the beginning. If you guys are long time subscribers, you will remember that it used to be in the center of the sticker swap sticker wall here, and we kind of filled in around it, and then I had to take it and move it because I kept getting so many sticker swap requests. And I still do sticker swaps if anybody ever wants to sticker swap with me. But this has the old Instagram account that unfortunately got hacked earlier in the year, and I'm now having to use the new account to post everything. But this is memories for me, and this was the original branding for the Artisan Pirate, as well as this was my original way back when I first started this sticker format. Now I have the Jolly Roger, you know, the square white sticker with the skull and crossbones on it that has the hammer and the saw and my name on it. But I will keep this as a memento. It's nostalgia for me. It's made of vinyl. It's still very durable, and it's held up quite well. I will roll it up, probably put a rubber band around it, or put it in a tube and lay it up in the rafters, you know, just for memories. But in its place, I put the amazing Klingspor Woodworking Shop banner there, and it's going to live there from now on. I wanted it to be in a prominent location. As soon as I got it, I hung it up over beside my banner, which is above the CNC machine. But Klingspor Woodworking Shop has been so kind to me. Coleman and his crew, the hospitality they show, and the extra mile they go to help everybody in their form of woodworking and everything. I truly appreciate it and want it there. Now keep in mind, I will be setting my heater back up here. You guys know this workshop is not heated or cooled, and we're in the cooler months. I did unplug it, and the heater is sitting out in the floor. It will go back here, but when we get back into the spring and I can pack the heaters away and get the fans out again, this sign will be prominently shown and prominently seen by anyone who comes up into the workshop, and I really wanted that to have a nice space to have that. Now, let's get into how we will wrap up the year. Now, this is not my final video. I just wanted to decorate the shop and get in that festive mood. As I said at the beginning of the video, I am not going nowhere. Every year I take a break towards Christmas time to spend Christmas and New Year's with my family and friends, you know, and get to visit with them, and also hopefully learn a new woodworking form or trick, or, you know, something to show you guys and document over here on the channel. That's when I try to learn something new. I might try to learn something new with the laser, the router, the lathe, the bandsaw, and of course the scroll saw or CNC machine, to where I can document it and show you here. That's when I go into learning mode, you know, really in that time, and I usually read and everything. And again, it's all about spending time with family and friends during that downtime, and it's also to help me avoid getting burnt out doing this. Now, I still love what I do, and I truly appreciate everyone who supports me and sends me messages and, you know, comments on everything, and sends me stickers or a hat or a shirt and everything. I truly love what I do, and I really appreciate everyone out there that supports me. I am truly blessed, and you have no idea how much it humbles me. But every year when I take my break, without fail, someone will comment, hey, are you leaving the platform? And no, that is not the case. Again, it's just to take a break. And I am going to go till maybe the second, maybe even third week in December, and then I'll post a final video over here on the channel to wrap everything up and do kind of a year in review type video, and then that will be it for the YouTube platform for the year, and then we'll pick it up around the end of January. You know, that's when usually when the bitter cold of the winter is gone here in the South, and I can tolerate it out here without having to put on multiple layers or have a fear of getting sick being out here in a cold workshop in the winter. Again, I do have the wood stove. It's going to be going. I said I'm going to have the heater here, and I prefer the warmth of summer over winter, and I've just always preferred the warmth and, you know, the sunshine and the longer days and everything. But we'll pick it back up, and we'll continue rocking and rolling, and I always start the year with a shop tour. Hopefully there will be a lot of improvements this year when we pick that up, but right now we're probably going to do maybe one or two more Thanksgiving or fall themed projects before we get into the Christmas projects. Of course, I will do 1 or 2 projects celebrating the true meaning of the Christmas season, and you guys all know what that is. And then I will go into more and finish out with more traditional Merry Christmas and Santa Claus type projects to finish out the year. And hopefully I'm going to get to go to see some malls that are decorated for the Christmas season. You know, that's total nostalgia for me, going and seeing those. It reminds me of my mom and grandma taking me to get a picture of me on Santa's lap, and we have those in the family photo albums and everything. But it's the nostalgia, and you guys know the older I get, the more nostalgia plays a part in me. You know, I've got on my Ducks jersey here for Mighty Ducks pop culture, you know, and I do like the Anaheim Ducks as well, so really, really cool. I'm having a lot of fun out here, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and found it informative. But really, really neat. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, and also follow me across all my social medias under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all of my social medias will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, and remember guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.